Snow Angels assemble. SOREL boots that slay winter in style. Winter storms? No sweat. The SOREL Women's Snow Angel Boots are here to keep you cozy, dry, and looking fabulous. With waterproof suede uppers, plush faux fur cuffs, and 200 g of insulation, these boots are your ultimate winter BFF. The removable felt ThermoPlus lining hugs your feet in warmth while adding a luxe feel. A rugged rubber shell and enduring lace-up closure ensure durability and a snug fit, so you can tackle snow days and slushy sidewalks like a pro. Whether you're commuting or conquering snowy trails, these boots offer comfort, style, and unmatched protection. Unlike the competition, SOREL Snow Angel Boots stand out for their superior craftsmanship and thoughtful features. Designed for functionality and fashion, these boots blend a lightweight structure with heavy-duty performance. The injection-molded rubber outsole provides reliable traction, perfect for icy or snowy conditions. A removable EVA footbed ensures cushioning and comfort, while the vulcanized shell adds an extra layer of waterproofing. With these boots, you'll never have to choose between staying warm and looking great. From outdoor adventures to casual errands, they adapt to every winter challenge with ease. Investing in SOREL Snow Angel Boots is a no-brainer when you consider the time and money they save. These boots are versatile enough to replace multiple pairs of winter footwear, offering all-day comfort and durability for years to come. The washable liner and long-lasting materials make maintenance simple and cost-effective. Their ability to perform in sub-zero temperatures while maintaining stylish appeal means you'll wear them on repeat. Forget disposable trends, these boots are a timeless addition to your winter wardrobe and an investment in quality. What makes these boots a fan favorite? It's their unbeatable comfort and performance. Customers report warm feet in temperatures as low as -30 °F, thanks to the insulated design. The multi-directional lug outsole delivers excellent traction on slippery terrain, keeping you safe and stable. The roomy toe box, cushioned sole, and lightweight feel ensure a fatigue-free experience, even after hours of wear. Whether you're navigating icy streets or trekking through deep snow, these boots offer the perfect balance of rugged durability and stylish design. Winter is no match for the SOREL Women's Snow Angel Boots. Engineered for extreme weather and styled for everyday wear, they'll quickly become your go-to footwear for the season. Say goodbye to cold toes, soggy socks, and clunky designs. These boots have all the warmth, waterproofing, and charm you need. Treat your feet to a luxurious winter experience while keeping your look on point. Don't let the snow slow you down, step up your style and conquer the cold with these iconic boots.